Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to go over some of the tips for beginners when investing into the stock market, so stay tuned. What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, basically what I do is I review stock courses and I break them down in a step-by-step format in my 100% honest opinion. I'm going to save you guys time and I'm going to save you guys money. I upload 3 to 4 times a week, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. God bless. One of the biggest tips I can give people that's looking to invest in the stock market as a beginner is please don't teach it like a get-rich-quick scheme. It's far from a get-rich-quick scheme, and a lot of people will get burnt if you do enter the stock world and have that mentality of a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a very difficult task to complete in educating yourself and getting a return out of the stock market, whether it be as a student or whether it be a full-time trader. It's not as easy as it sounds, but also it's not rocket science. It is very doable, but just don't go in with the mentality of that it is going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people will obviously get burnt and have a bad taste for the stock market, which I can completely understand. It's just important to have your mentality in the right place before embarking on a journey. One of the tips I kind of like to give to beginners is be patient, learn how to paper trade, and follow kind of all the advice that you get from an experienced trader. It is super important, so make sure you do listen and make sure you get different opinions on things. But be patient is the most important one I can give you. Don't rush into anything. Everything takes time, so just bear that in mind. It's also very important, if you have the opportunity, I would recommend seeking out a mentor. A mentor is super important when going on a journey like this, is because a person will be there for you step by step, telling you what's right, what's wrong, and not allowing you to make the same mistakes that that mentor made. So I would suggest seeking out a mentor if you are looking to get into the stock market. It is a super important topic. Don't try to do it without education. I did, it didn't work so well. So definitely try invest in education. It will pay itself off in the long run. So that's one of my tips I would give you, is definitely educate yourself. And lastly, a tip for beginners would be ignore the noise. Ignore all this get-rich-quick scheme. Ignore all this, I made 10,000 in a day. Ignore all that bullshit, because that's just going to bring you into a bad place if it's not going your way. So don't have such high expectations when trading initially at the start. Whoever's putting up those videos, it obviously took them a long time to get to that level, and they're just not disclosing how long. So just bear that in mind, is have your expectations at a reasonable level. Don't expect a huge return at the start, because it will just bring your mindset and energies into a bad place. So stay positive. Don't expect a huge amount initially at the start. Focus on consistency. But as I said, it is a long journey, but you will get there. If you need to ask me any questions, my email is in the link below. You can ask me anything. I will personally respond to you guys, or leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, I do upload 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm really grateful for your support. I will keep giving you good feedback on courses I break down, and I will keep you in the loop of some of my top tips I've learned along my way. So stay tuned.